Residents of western New York are bracing themselves for more snow after a freakish storm dumped 5 feet or 1.5 meters of snow in some parts of the region. At least 6 people were killed and several motorists were stranded overnight.
This is an historic event. I believe when all is said and done, this snowfall may break all sorts of records.
The snow let up around the city of Buffalo on Wednesday morning, but is expected to return by nightfall, dumping an estimated 3 additional feet, or 1 meter. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo has declared a state of emergency for 10 counties, and National Guard troops are being deployed to help residents cope with the snow.